Ever spent hours manually tracking competitor websites, social feeds, and market reports only to realize you missed a critical design trend? This skill automates web scraping with Puppeteer, monitors social metrics via APIs like Twitter's Graph API, and uses NLP for sentiment analysis on customer reviews. It builds dynamic dashboards in Tableau and sends Slack alerts for pricing shifts or viral campaigns. Say goodbye to spreadsheet hell. UI UX designers, front end devs, product managers, and marketing leads all win with real time intel. Because staying ahead shouldn't require a caffeine IV. Here's what's inside the Building Competitor Monitoring System skill. Automated web scraping extracts competitor CSS frameworks and color palettes. Social media monitoring tracks engagement spikes using Instagram Graph API. AI powered sentiment analysis decodes customer feedback from review sites. Customizable dashboards compare metrics side by side in Power BI. Real time alerts notify via email or Teams when logos get refreshed or ad spend jumps. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Turn chaos into clarity. Your strategy deserves better than guesswork. Installing the Building Competitor Monitoring System skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-competitor monitoring system. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance for setting up Puppeteer scrapers, pre built API connectors, and sentiment analysis models trained on design industry data. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to configure dashboards, optimize API rate limits, and prioritize competitor alerts. No PhD in Python required. Just type, deploy, and watch your rivals become your roadmap.